In the world of information technology, we often talk about the cloud or software, but none of that exists without a physical home. Hardware refers to the tangible, touchable components of a computer system. If software is the thoughts, hardware is the body. Inside the case, you have the core components. The CPU acts as the brain, executing billions of calculations per second. The RAM provides short-term memory for active tasks, and storage drives hold your data permanently. All of these are connected by the motherboard, the central nervous system of the machine. Hardware also includes peripherals, the tools we use to interact with the computer, like monitors, keyboards, and mice. But it goes even deeper. In a professional technical setup, hardware also includes the infrastructure that keeps things running, like network routers, server racks, and even the power management systems like UPS units and inverters that protect your data from outages. Hardware doesn't do much on its own. It requires drivers and firmware to understand the software's commands. Whether you are rendering a 4K video for YouTube or managing a virtualized server environment, the quality of your hardware determines the speed and stability of your work. Hardware is the engine of the digital age. From the smartphone in your hand to the massive data centers powering the web, it is the physical reality of ICT. If you're building your own workstation or learning system administration, stay tuned for our deep dives into specific hardware setups.